You are not going to jail. Scammers love to use that scare tactic to separate you from your money. Hi, I'm Gary, and welcome to Tax Bulldog. In this short video, I'm going to tell you how you are not going to jail and why you're not going to jail. Scammers threaten sending you to jail and are playing on those old fears to intimidate you. The IRS in the days of old did a great job of establishing fear to encourage compliance. They seldom prosecuted anyone for tax fraud. We just heard of the big names like Al Capone, Leona Helmsley, and most recently, Wesley Snipes. The modern IRS is nothing like that. They want to help you, and they want you to pay no more tax than you are legally required to. Not a penny more. While the IRS feels that way, unfortunately, they don't have the staff and resources to help you in every aspect. They do provide a lot of information on their website and on YouTube here. If it is still daunting for you, you can get help from a professional. But you're not going to jail. You have to have committed a very serious tax crime, and it's quite difficult to do. It takes a lot of planning, scheming, and deliberate action. Most people simply make mistakes in understanding something, bad advice, interpretation, or just incorrect judgment. That's not a crime. If you are worried about going to jail, it's very unlikely you committed a crime. The real crooks don't worry about it as they're too busy skirting and evading the law. The IRS and states have no interest in jailing you. They want to help you get back on track and be a productive citizen, paying only your fair share. They do not want to house you, feed you, or give you medical care. That's far more expensive for them. Now, tax avoidance is legal. Tax evasion is illegal. There's a difference. Again, I will say tax avoidance is legal. Tax evasion is illegal, and I'll explain that. Tax avoidance is taking advantage of all the opportunities the law affords you. If you're entitled to deduction, take it. Don't hold anything back in case of an audit. 99% of the time you'll lose on a deduction and pay more tax than you should have. You're entitled to pay the lowest tax allowed by law. Now, tax evasion, which is illegal, is deliberately falsifying information, not reporting income that should be, claiming deductions, credits, or allowances that are not allowed, or falsely inflating deductions. Scammers call people on the phone and get very aggressive and threaten that the police or FBI is coming to arrest you within the hour unless you pay up immediately. The IRS and states never do that. You first have to be prosecuted and found guilty in a court of law. If you've not been to trial in regards to a criminal tax case, you're in no danger. Additionally, the IRS does not file lawsuits against citizens, as scammers want to claim. The IRS doesn't need to. They already have the power of a district court in their hands as provided by law. That allows them to file tax liens, levies, and seizures of property. Yet they do not have police powers to arrest and take you to jail. When you owe taxes, you'll receive a series of many letters in the mail and certified mail before any kind of collection action happens. What kind of collection actions are there? Bills and notices in the mail. Tax liens may be filed. Financial institution levies, wage garnishments, and lastly, property seizures. But you will not be arrested. If you find yourself in a tax collection situation, owing tax debt, there are many options for you to resolve that. See my other videos that are forthcoming or on here now. I will update the description below to provide links to my other videos where you can look at my playlists. Here are some resources for you. Now we'll put these in the description below. taxbulldog.com. This is my website. There's many articles, documents, forums, and other information in regards to dealing with tax collection and audit issues. I try to demystify things. The IRS on YouTube. This is a treasure trove of helpful videos for taxpayers. Very good stuff. IRS on tax scams on YouTube. What to watch out for and the games that scammers play to steal your money. So in closing, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and got something out of it, please give me a like and share with your family, friends, and colleagues. Please subscribe to see my future videos as I produce them so you can be aware of the topics that may be timely and important to you at that time. Thank you.